driver sir, wait, no?
पता नहीं क्या हो गया।
हेलो हेलो बोलो देवेंद्र जी।
I don't know, he's not responding. Turn on all the headlights. you do in the city?
we are doing robbery, doing businesses,
What kind of business?
recycled material. We are buying materials back and then sell for.
Recycled bin material is a fucking civilian, not gang. In
Yeah.
near future, where you wanna see yourself? With the
I-
scraps,
No, no.
the hours of the city. First of all,
With,
tell me of all of your boys' names.
my name is Gabbar Singh.
Gopus and the other boys.
नाम नाम बताओ ना.
My name is Mafia.
What?
Mafia Joker.
Mafia Joker. किसने रखा था नाम?
मेरे भाई.
Third one. और एक जो है उसका नाम
We are
यही हो
having
क्या?
नहीं
Only
नहीं
four.
और भी हैं, but they are sleeping.
All of them are sleeping.
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
All of them, no. Most of them are sleeping.
So for how much time long it has been you are doing this? You are trying to reform your business again.
It will be in 3 days.
3 days. Do you know actual meaning of the Vagus?
No.
And you are trying to reform the Vagus. And you know what did you have done
What?
in past one day? What you have done in the city that shouldn't be go like that. What you actually did.
पीछे हो जाओ भाई, थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ.
You know what you did in past one day?
No.
Do you know about the street rules?
Yes.
What is street rule? Street rule, there is nothing about you can take someone's family's member alone with yourself, shoot him down over there.
Okay.
Is it like that? Is it your street rule?
No.
Then why did you do it?
वो वहाँ पे उसका एक्सीडेंट हो रखा था. उसने आज हमको सुबह वागोस को गाली बकी थी.
इसमें just let them go. Then what you did?
तब हम 2 ही जने थे वहाँ पे, तो
उन्होंने कुछ किया?
नहीं, कुछ सिंपली वहाँ से चले गए.
And what you did when he was alone?
I took him to and robbed
And?
him.
Why? Why?
Because I want to take revenge from them.
This is the proper way to take revenge in the street.
No.
Then why did you do that? You are talking about, they went away from there normally, and you take those guys, just one guy takes and rob and downed him at first. So this kind of stupidity you are doing in the street, and you are cuffing normal members of the gangs
No.
without any handcuffs. You are robbing people without handcuffs. How is it possible? Boys, give them their reward, their first reward. Alright, now take them in our cars. Get them into the vehicle. No. Carry him and carry him and sit inside. I'm ready. Carry him and sit inside. I will not repeat it again. Come from there as soon as possible.
Backside, backside. Hey, backside. Vertical.
Ragnar,
Yeah, okay.
who told you to uncarry them? Give that petrol can to me. Me. I need to fuse up. No. No. Give it to me.
Whoever I will give.
can see. That directly give me na.
Hello. Okay, come on. Kamal, what's another guy? Where is another guy? I think total 4. 1, 2, but another. Go back. Granny, okay. Granny. Kudu boyang aku. Yeah, but Arjun, you're getting any headache? Yeah. Okay. Huh? Mr. Kamal, call the grandma, okay? Come there, okay? Call the grandma. Okay, okay, guy, I will call him, okay? Yeah, I'll call him. हेलो ग्रैंडमा हाँ मैं फुल रेडी है हाँ हमारी जगह है ना वो आ जा थोड़ा बंदा है ना वो उसको ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं हाँ या आजा हाँ या ना ओनली आजा आ गया ओके ना क्या लव यू टू आगे इधर हाँ यार वेट फॉर देम ऑल नो वेट फॉर ग्रैंडमा नहीं आया
One by one.
ओके
To get treated.
I gave you the money. Doctor, can you just treat him fast? What's his PayPal ID? Check. Yeah, 6 7 I already done. Next. Just uncarry him so that we can see. Your heart will not be on the position if you don't do the treatment. You bastard. Keep him down. Keep him down. I'm giving him. Why these guys are not taking this?
I think we lost it.
Damn fool!
Why is he not doing this?
Uh, huh?
Christ! I
Come
can't take
here.
that shit at my age.
ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు రాయ్యా He came in.
Easy, easy now, easy.
Easy.
Put your hands down.
I think you understood what you did and why you got it. This thing, okay? No.
Why did नहीं अरे नहीं मेरे को पता है मैं बाद में बताऊंगा चुप 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 चुप
Why is he not getting up?
I think Doctor doing treatment.
Call that Bala's boys and the TLMC boys to come over here.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Yeah,
Call them then.
come.
Black Mamba is not there. Just dark web.
What are you playing as?
Do you know criminal doctor?
Take them to the upstairs.
Pankaj sir, you said upstairs, right?
Upstairs, yeah, ऊपर.
Wow. Okay, okay.
Follow me down. Yeah, you guys just, stand over there. Or you can sit also. You have just took some bullets, you can rest so that the boys can come. After that we will discuss what should you do, what should not. Let me secret. कितने दिन के बाद बारिश हुआ है सर?
I called this guy. Extra cigarette, I had it.
No, no, sir.
No, I'm talking about after a long time it has been raining ना.
हाँ.
बारिश होने से पहले ओवरकास्ट होना पड़ता है वेदर को, उसके बाद क्लाउड लाना पड़ता है, उसके बाद जाके बारिश होता है.
I think it will happen then.
होने दो. इतने दिन से हुआ नहीं है, होने दो. I'm just enjoying this weather because God was unable to do that. I've made it with my power. Alright, give me 1 or 2 minutes, I'm coming back. Hey, Mr. Kamal Hassan, do you not do not know about the VIP thing, so that you can take umbrella at least too much towards me. You don't know how to give the respect to a senior. Just take
What?
out the umbrella. So that I can light smoke. Stand here for 1 minute like it. Still my secret doesn't go to the ground.
वो मेरा स्ट्रेस बढ़ रहा था थोड़ा किसी का
Let's do coffee.
आपके पास है
मेरे पास भी है कुछ पूरा एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है स्ट्रेस बहुत कम लगता है. Do you smoke joints? Yeah, a joint, right? Can work.
कौन सा
Joint है क्या?
नहीं सर
Let me see in my pocket.
ओके सर प्लीज
I think boys are here.
I'm back. Where are? What about the KMC voice of the Bala's voice?
It's not what at all. Hello? Yeah. Come to the first floor. The LC guys are kind of busy with their family.
Which guys?
Some,
KMC.
some of the relatives got sick. Really
So
bad.
no one is there.
Yeah.
That's how they will work. Someday their things will be snatched by someone and they will try. They have to be very practical at first if they are in this kind of work. They just have to get the positive things and the negative things should be removed from their mind. And that's how they will run the business.
Good luck.
Yeah. I can get some boys over here.
Yeah, I tried.
Are you enjoying? Come on, son. Are you enjoying? You enjoying by standing an umbrella. Like the most area people. Let's go inside.
It is outside. Rubber.
वो पता नहीं सर दिमाग में गया सर
Okay. Boys,
Okay.
you guys come check. Oh,
Come to the right side. Yeah. Come to the right. In front of me. Come to the right side. Towards it.
okay.
Vago boys, where is another one guy?
Joker, come this side. Hello, Joker.
जोकर इधर आ जा
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. First of all, I would have to talk with the Vagos guys. What was your name? Bala boy, can you just come inside so
Don.
that they can come? You.
Don't stand behind me.
Okay.
Stand behind me.
Yeah.
Where is the other guy?
Yeah, he's actually getting treated. He'll be back.
We already met the criminal doctor.
Yeah.
So one more guy is coming from you.
Bala's guys, one guy is below. Get treatment.
Okay. So Vago boys, what was your names? One
Gabbar
was
Singh.
Gabbar Singh. Who is Gabbar Singh? Okay. And you?
जट भाई
You're Chatu. And you? Third?
He's Mafia Joker.
Mafia Joker.
He's Mo. But on the streets, if you are running in any kind of association, any kind of organization, any kind of illegal shit, any kind of family, any kind of gang, any kind of thing like that, which belongs to the illegal things. Just remember one thing. This place, this place is your life changing place. From this place, you can heal yourself after getting shot in the wars. So don't ever shot any bullet over this side. Okay?
Okay.
In this place, do not shoot so that the police, if you shot, the police will come and will seize this area forever and ever. Okay? That's the
Okay,
first
sir.
thing. Second thing is about the street rules. What is the street rules actually? Street rules means, first of all, when you are controlling a turf, like Barrio, the Jamestown is your turf area. So you don't have to trigger any people over there in your neighborhood so that it can be possible that they can be against you in near future. So don't give them drugs, don't try to sell them drugs, don't kill them unnecessary, don't fight with them. house and your neighborhood also.
Okay.
And these Balas boys have the Coop Street area. So like the James things towards, but this time two only, and you guys were two or three something like that in numbers. uh, what was the exact number of you guys, the Balas, but it's a very positive thing that you didn't harm them, you didn't shoot them, anything. That's the actual humanity. As a gang member, as a family member, you have to give respect all the time, because like you are representing a color and they are also representing a color. If you want to prove yourself on the street, just come on the street, just call them that, just let's see on the street who wins, or who talks the last word, like that. Don't just fight one by one. If you are seeing that one person is roaming around of the Balas, one person of roaming around of the Vagos, and you 3 or 4 guys just going and just taking him as a hostage or something like that, and taking him and just ask him asking the money for his release to his family members. It's not the rules of the street. If you want to prove yourself, you have to give the challenge to yourselves. There is lot of where is gonna be happen in near future. I will tell you, I will explain you all the things in near future. But right now, what you Vago boys have done, I think you can understand why we gave you the reward.
Yes,
For
sir.
this reason
Okay,
only,
sir.
you have to give the respect,
Okay,
so
okay, sir.
that they will give the respect to you.
सर बट पहले इन्होंने रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दिया था, हम इनको इनके मेंबर को छोड़ने गए, ये
उन्होंने
फालतू
मुंह
में
से
उल्टा।
बोला ना, उन्होंने मुंह से बोला ना, गोली तो नहीं मारा ना तुमको।
नहीं सर, मैंने उसको मारा नहीं था, वो वहीं पे उसका एक्सीडेंट हो रखा था।
हाँ, तो तुम्हारा ह्यूमैनिटी क्या बोलता है? एक दूसरे गैंग के मेंबर को अगर उसने गाली भी दिया होगा, तो तुम्हारा असली दुश्मन कौन है? दिस स्टेट, दिस पुलिस, दिस गवर्नमेंट इज योर ऑपोजिट, नॉट देम। दे आर लाइक योर बिजनेस राइवल्स, दैट्स इट। अगर ये लोग तुम्हारे बिजनेस में आके कुछ उल्टा सीधा करते हैं, तभी तुम जाओ इस इन पे गन लेके, अदरवाइज
जी।
नॉट।
Okay, okay, sir.
ओके, in some few days I will give you some tasks. There will be a lot of things in that, so that you can prove yourself. After that I will provide some businesses to you. If you get pass in my quarters, then I will give you the things, the rewards. But
Okay, sir.
first of all, you have to pass on the task. I have
Okay,
ओके
already
सर।
given the tasks to TLFC. They have passed one, and today this Balas boys have also done it very cleverly. And yeah, after that I'm coming to that point. But first of all, you need to clear about all the street rules. First, don't ever shoot on your hood, on your members, in your neighborhood, in your house, in your business places, in others business places. Okay, this and others business places also, don't shoot, so that they are also the illegal things now. If you
यस
shoot
सर।
over there, the police will come, the product will be
Okay.
totally
सीज्ड।
seized by the
Okay, okay,
cops.
sir.
So do you
ओके।
need that kind of thing? I don't think
ओके
so.
सर।
Yeah, that's the main thing.
Okay, okay.
So the third thing is, do not ever take or shoot or kill or try to harm any other opposite gang members when they are roaming around alone in the city. If you
ओके
want to,
सर।
if you want to fight with them, just call them that, but without reason. Don't that something he used some abusive words, that's why you are going for a war. It's not like that. War needs, in war you will get many bullets, they will get many bullets. So what do you think? Your body is kind of is steel metal, it will not get hurt of that. War is a very difficult thing. In war there should be four members in that. Each of the party will get 4 members, and nothing much above them. Okay. You can make it by drive-by and you can make it by on foot also. In drive-by, you shouldn't allow 4 members. You can take only one person who can tell you all the locations or something where are they, where are the opposition are roaming around in the city. They can just give you the information. After that, after giving the information, when the first bullet will be get started, then that fifth guy will disconnect from your radio. That time only 4 of you will be connected on that same radio. All right. And
Okay.
in between any war, there shouldn't be any third person who will carry or who will take you the these guys with them and treat them. In between wars, if you are down, you are down. You can't come in that situation, same situation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Think right now, you two guys are fighting with each other. Vagos is down. Okay. And Bala's 2 boys are down, 2 boys are alive right now. They will take you guys and these guys also in this place. After that, they will treat you use and that boys also. After that, they will treat you. After treating you, they will ask you for the thing. Why did you ask? Why did you ask for the war, or something like that? Then you will have to negotiate with them. If you want to continue your war, you can continue, but after 1 hour at least, because in this 1 hour means lot things. Okay, like 1 day.
Okay,
I
sir.
think you better understood.
Yes, sir.
1 hour means what 1 hour means, so that
Yes, sir.
you can also prepare for the next session of the war. But I
Okay,
don't
sir.
think so. You know, one war is enough for 1 day actually. But you can go, but after 1 hour.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So it was a third point how to fight, and fourth point is that you shouldn't have to directly go inside any of the gang territory, because just think about it. If you know that the boys who talks with you, and who are the normal civilians, like the normal citizens of this city, like local people,
Yes, sir.
they are always present in that gang terms. You can see that in your bagus also, and in your balas also. You can see that people roams around in your places. They are the neighborhoods of yours, they are the brothers, they are the sisters, they are the family members of yours actually. So do not ever go to any other's place without permission.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And after that, there are a lot of things I will say and I will give you guys, so that you can freely spread this this kind of. I think you have understood what was your mistake, and I
Yes, sir.
think you will not repeat it again. And
Okay.
whoever is with you, just make them clear, don't rob anyone for any without any reason. If I
Okay.
see, I will come back again and I will shoot him, and this time he will be permanently gone. No one will find him again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
In At the Legion Square, I will cut his name.
Okay, sir.
All right. I think you have better understood, and right now it took so much time. I will meet you. Are you guys leaving for now?
Yes, sir.
For at least 1 hour or 1.5 hour?
Yes, sir. We are
Because
leaving
I
for
think
one.
it will take 30 minutes to call you guys. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Just stay in the city. Don't go to sleep.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can go. Just take the local car and go.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
The same thing goes with the Bala's voice also. I think Balas you have seen why you have taken them here, and we gave them the punishment what for what they have done. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have done a good thing actually, but this is not the proper place where we should talk about that.
Mm-hmm.
Give us 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
We'll call you back. Stay in the sandy shores.
Sandy shores.
Stay in the sandy shores. I'll call you.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Just roam around the sandy shores. Go to the
Yeah.
any pub, something like
Okay.
that. Have some drinks over there.
And another thing, we spoke with our fashion designer. He said, our like your dresses are empty. Check those things.
Where he's gonna contact us?
No, no. Check it. Check it first. We like threatened that fashion designer yesterday night. He said, "I will bring all the gangs clothes into the hospital. Check it.
Okay.
You'll find."
Yeah.
How
So
many
is there
members
anything
were?
wrong with
Nine
these
members.
dresses that we wore now?
No, it's ठीक है but हाँ थोड़ा अलग सा ट्राई कर सकते हो.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
बट ऐसा नहीं मतलब तुम बालास हो या बागोस हो ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक भाई पूरा रंग डाल दिया वैसा नहीं. Yeah, it's-
ఏమన్నారు?
అంటే కింద నుంచి పై వరకు కలర్స్ వేసుకోవడం
ఇది
కాదు.
అంతా కాదు సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ కాదు మొత్తం ఒకే
Yeah.
అంటున్నాను.
but I think you are wearing a basketball t-shirt or jacket.
Me?
Everyone is cricket fan.
No, it is of the Balas. Balas.
Just go backside of your t-shirt. You can watch it. That guy in front of you.
Panic. It's actually a basketball one. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Check it. I
There
think
is-
you will find
yeah.
that person.
It's a Balas thing, but
Yeah.
you are if you are a
Yeah.
I
got
will
it,
show
got
you.
it.
I'll show you.
Limited
Try
edition
to try to wear like a black color of t-shirt and this color of pants, and some with some something like that. There are a lot of things you can try.
Yeah.
So, you are? You are there?
Max
Max 10.
Min.
You are there?
మై నేమ్ ఇస్ డాన్ బాస్కో.
Your name?
Marco.
Not you.
That guy.
Johnson.
Can you shout
Johnson Kirky.
Johnson?
Johnson Kirky.
Okay, you can leave. We'll call you in 5 to 10 minutes. Let us discuss about it. What we have done actually right now.
Yeah.
Contact you after 10 minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Just stay in Sandy Shores.
Oh, yeah.
Middle of that. Dominic, do you copy?
हेलो अजय है ലുവൻറ്റോ गन्नर या हाँ व्हाट्स अप मैडम
Everything okay, yeah? Just
Uh-huh.
wait. Another service now.
ओके
Okay.